Had to turn the fan off again. So, looks like the next thing I'm going to go over is really the major part of this is the signal splitter box. All right, so the signal splitter box has 5 signals, and one of which is the slack sensor that senses that the cable spool has tension. If that's not on, the machine does not run. Then we have our counter, which I'm simulating on here. This is our counter sensor. So I'm just going to plug that on there. Then I have some other ones to plug into to do the demonstration and run test. So this is an uphold stop switch. This is for liquid flow sense, and this is to sense gas pressure. So there's more to it than it looks like, believe me. I've got a picture of the inside of that box too. It's pretty involved, but it's finished on that part of it. So what I'm going to do now, oh yeah, and then this one is the e-stop that mounts on the baler itself. So you have an e-stop that's right there. If somebody gets tangled in the cable or it starts to slip and run down hole, whatever, you can hit that. That'll remove power from the brake and the drive all at once and lock the spool in place. So there's that. And of course that main cable to this box goes in the baler inside it. And all of these have about 3 foot of cable on each sensor link, which should be more than enough to reach all of the sensors that I've already sent to you. So I'm just going to take this cable and it's going to connect up right there. So I'll probably just feed this, maybe even turn this around so I can have some of that out of my way. Feed this back through here, the bulb of the link. They're each about 15 feet, so there we go. So we're going to plug that cable in the bottom here, and I have it right now. I just have a Sharpie mark on it on the inside of the box. The one that says signals right here, which of the 3, it's the middle one. This one is the going to be the handheld jog unit, which is over there. This jog right here. Okay, so we're just going to plug this splitter box main cable into one that says signals here, and push it up level there, reach under there and snap the latch. So that's all connected. So pretty much we're ready to we're just about ready to get out the laptop and fire the simulation up. Then I gotta go to work in Odessa. So the e-stop cable's a little, there again, I left it long so you can choose where you want to mount it inside the unit. So here's these. So I'm just going to start hooking those up where I need those to be. Now this cable it's got 2 cables on one plug. That's because I didn't have enough conductors and didn't have time to order more cable really. But they have M12s on them also. And there's only one other place that an M12 can go, and that's right over here on the side of this box. And we already have one. The back one goes to the GS1 drive over here, right over here, and this one will go here to this front one. So we'll thread that one on, and then the other end of it, which I'll just throw the slack back here. The other end of it's going to go right on the signal splitter box, and that actually is for the pressure sensor that plugs into this. And I'm going to bring my air compressor over here to simulate pressure on that, so we can see that on the data view. And that other end of that plugs into the side of the signal splitter box, like so. And then you'll just take the corresponding M12 cables and plugs, and they'll be labeled better than this. That's just temporary. I'll print some out that you can actually read. You'll take these to their locations: slack switch, gas pressure switch. This would be your, can't even read my own writing. Oh, that's your surface stop switch. And of course this other one here is going to be your counter. So I'll stop that video and I'll connect up these signals to my simulation devices, which I have over here. So that sensor is going to simulate my uphold stop. This is going to simulate the slack switch. This is a real, and it's a hazardous location, 100 psi pressure transducer, 0 to 5 volts, 100 psi scale. And this is the liquid flow sensor right here. So I'll stop this and upload that video, and then I'll do one more, and that should take care of it.